Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word bum. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He spent all day sitting on the couch like a bum, refusing to help with any chores. In this context, bum is used as a slang term to describe someone who is lazy, unproductive, or unwilling to work. It refers to a person who avoids responsibility and idles away. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.